lovers. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, the place where we turn your home dreams into reality. Today, I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the captivating world of wooden cabin house design inspiration. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. For centuries, these structures have evoked feelings of warmth, comfort, and a deep connection with nature. But what exactly defines a wooden cabin, and how can you bring this timeless aesthetic into your own life? Let's explore. The term, wooden cabin, conjures images of cozy, rustic dwellings nestled amidst tranquil natural settings. Historically, cabins were simple, functional structures built from readily available timber, serving as shelters for pioneers, trappers, and early settlers. Today, the meaning has evolved. While the core element of wood construction remains, modern cabin design encompasses a broader range of styles, from traditional log cabins to contemporary interpretations featuring clean lines and expansive windows. The underlying essence, however, persists. A wooden cabin represents a retreat, a sanctuary where one can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the natural world. It speaks to a desire for simplicity, authenticity, and a harmonious blend with the surrounding environment. Choosing a wooden cabin offers a wealth of advantages. Firstly, wood is a naturally insulating material, providing excellent thermal performance. This translates to lower energy bills, keeping your cabin warm in winter and cool in summer. Secondly, wood is a sustainable building material, especially when sourced from responsibly managed forests. Its natural beauty also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, promoting relaxation and well-being. Furthermore, wooden cabins can be remarkably durable and long-lasting with proper care and maintenance. The construction process can also be faster than traditional building methods, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a quicker turnaround. Finally, the inherent aesthetic of wood offers a timeless appeal, blending seamlessly with natural landscapes and creating a tranquil retreat. Designing a stunning wooden cabin involves careful consideration of several key elements. Start by defining your style. Do you prefer a traditional, rustic look, or a more contemporary approach? Consider the surrounding landscape and choose materials and colors that complement the environment. Natural wood tones, earthy colors, and stone accents work beautifully in cabin settings. Prioritize natural light by incorporating large windows and skylights. This not only brightens the interior but also provides breathtaking views of the surrounding scenery. Pay attention to the layout, creating a functional and comfortable living space that maximizes the available square footage. Incorporate cozy elements like a fireplace, comfortable furniture, and warm textiles to enhance the cabin's inviting atmosphere. Finally, don't forget the details. Rustic hardware, handcrafted furniture, and personal touches will add character and charm to your cabin. What are the best items for wooden cabin house design? Exterior. The exterior of your wooden cabin should reflect its natural surroundings and complement the overall design. Natural materials are key. Consider using wood siding, stone foundations, and a metal or shingle roof. A spacious porch or deck is a must-have for enjoying the outdoors. Incorporate landscaping elements like native plants, stone pathways, and outdoor lighting to enhance the cabin's curb appeal. Log accents, exposed beams, and decorative elements like wagon wheels or antique tools can add a touch of rustic charm. Choose durable and weather-resistant materials to ensure your cabin's exterior withstands the elements for years to come. And now, to enrich your imagination and bring you more inspiration, let's explore the collection of the top 10 best wooden cabin house design ideas that you can use for your next project. First, classic log cabin. Embrace the traditional with exposed logs, a gabled roof, and a stone chimney. Second, modern A-frame cabin. Opt for a sleek, triangular design with expansive windows and clean lines. Third, rustic timber frame cabin. Showcase exposed timber framing for a dramatic and visually appealing look. Fourth, Scandinavian-inspired cabin. Incorporate minimalist design, light wood tones, and natural textiles. Fifth, mountain retreat cabin. Build on a sloped site with multiple levels and panoramic views. 6th, lakeside cabin getaway. Design a waterfront retreat with a private dock and outdoor fire pit. 7th, forest hideaway cabin. Create a secluded escape surrounded by trees and lush vegetation. 8th, tiny cabin living. Embrace minimalism with a compact and efficient design. 9th, luxury log cabin estate. Incorporate high-end finishes, gourmet kitchens, and spa-like bathrooms. 10th, off-grid sustainable cabin. Utilize solar power, rainwater harvesting, and composting systems. Designing a wooden cabin is about creating a space that reflects your personal style and connects you with nature. By considering the meaning, benefits, design principles, and exterior elements we've discussed today, you can create a truly remarkable and inviting retreat. Thank you for joining us on Home Inspiration Studios. We hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own cabin design journey. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best wooden cabin house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.